Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another try-on haul featuring Halara. So this is my first time ever trying out a collab that Halara has done. So this is the collab Halara with Smiley, which I think is really kind of fun. It's definitely different, but I think it's really fun for springtime. So as always, they provided me with a coupon code. Big shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video. I will have all of the items linked on the YouTube shop button as well as in the description box down below. But yeah, let's do a little try on haul and I'll show you what I picked up. So as always, my favorite thing to pick up from Halara is their activewear dresses. It is almost activewear dress season. I've already worn a couple. They're just the best, most comfortable, most versatile, they make the best dresses. And this one's kind of different. So this one has the little piping detail down the side that says Smiley Halara. It's got this like black with gray. This is like a pressed sort of logo on the side, and it's just a black style dress, which is my favorite. This is in my favorite style, which has the little butt tab. Oh my God, I love how they show you right here now. This is really cute. These are perfect for bathrooms, okay? So you can feel comfortable wearing these out and about and not be like, okay, well, how am I gonna go to the bathroom? Like every dress like this should be this way. Like I'm telling you, and Halara just gets it done. So this is a full bodysuit underneath, and then it's got the removable cup pads, crisscross back, no adjusting on these. Honestly, they have so many sizes and they're really forgiving, so I don't find that you need the adjusting, but they do have adjusting straps if you need it. But this is just plain black, and like I said, it's got the logo on both sides, built-in underwire, or built-in like bodysuit underneath, and then the little logo on the back. But overall, just super cute, just very like different, a little more sporty, a little more like 90s athleisure is coming back, and I think this kind of shows it. I feel like we've gone really basic with our clothing and our activewear, and it's kind of fun to like, I don't know, do something a little bit different. This next piece is a top that I have in white and black and like pink and all the things, but this again is just their standard tank. It's got this like U back with a little twist, double straps, which are cute, and then it says at the top Smiley and Halara. It's got a little smiley face. I like how it's not so bold in your face, subtle, and then it's got their little logo on the back here. Really cute. I got this in a size small, and I feel like all their stuff fits very true to size, and everything's really stretchy, but when in doubt, I would say size down if you're in between sizes, but super cute. They also have this in white. They were sold out of the white when I was ordering, but both are great, just basic colors. And this has to be my favorite piece of them all. I just love these so much. I'm typically not a pocket legging girl, but I don't care. These were just so cool. So these have little like pressed, they're not pressed because they're like in the fabric itself, little smiley faces. It's so cute. But these are like different because these are like a butt lifting type of legging. I don't know what they are called, but they have like these panels in the side that kind of help lift. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like got a ribbed sort of feel to it. I was in love with the colors of these. These don't have like a top seam, they're a pressed seam, which is very flattering. I was obsessed with the color and just how fun these leggings were. I was thinking just with like a plain white t-shirt, like I will wear these a lot because they're so cool. They're kind of like polka dot and stripes all in one, but the polka dots are smiley faces, and polka dots are huge right now. And this green color is just so fun. I can't like look at it and be upset. Like it's just so cool. So I absolutely love this piece, by far my favorite. And I believe they have these in a couple different colors as well, but the green really spoke to me. I like want to wear them today. I feel like that is a piece that people will be like, those are so cool. Like they'll stop you and be like, those are cool leggings. Anyway, next up, I got a pair of jeans. These are really out there for me. I'm not gonna lie. They're like very 90s, very like Y2K, but I think they could be really cute. So if you aren't familiar with Halara's jeans, they're just insanely stretchy, insanely comfortable. And typically I'm not like a stretchy jean girl, but these are stretchy, but they're not like tight. They're like a loose wide leg, which I don't mind that because they just flow off the body. But do you see this like acid wash sort of detailing. It's super subtle, but it's got like smiley faces, flowers. It reminds me a lot of the Takashi Murakami like artwork, but I just thought these were so fun. Like it's very subtle, but very cool. Low rise. I also got these in a small, it just says Halara Smiley. It also has this little butt pocket detail in the back too. So cute. And crisscross waistband, which is always super, super flattering, but I love a light wash with just like a little white cropped tee. I don't know, it's giving like cool. And hopefully I can pull it off. I think they're really fun. And they're like so insanely comfy and just feel like they're like a sweatpant jean, okay? So yes, if you've never tried out Halara, their jeans are probably like one of their most like comfortable items that they make, but the activewear dresses will forever be my all-time favorite. But they have literally everything, like bathing suits, loungewear, activewear, just dresses, going out dresses, casual dresses. They have so much. So if you're going to check them out, I will have them in the description box. But this is the final piece, and that is going to wrap up my little Halara try-on haul. Like I said, it wasn't a big one, but I just still wanted to show it to you guys in case you were curious to check up anything. Check out / pick up anything from their collab with Smiley. I think it's a really fun, unique thing, and I love when brands collab. I just think it's cool. It just gives you different like limited edition type pieces. So big shout out to Halara again for partnering with me on today's video, and I will have everything linked, my sizing, my general measurements, and all of that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to use this code, and I will see you guys in my next video very, very soon.